Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can set up or reset your password on Instagram. So let's get right into it. Now, the first method, if you're already logged in, you can just go to the bottom right, click on your account, and then go into your account settings in the top right, then click on the accounts center. From here, you'll see all the profiles that you have, and you can go into password and security. As you can see, you can just then tap the change password button, select the account you would like to change it for, then enter the current password as well as the new password, and then you can retype the password, and then you can log out of all other devices if you want. You don't need to, and then you can just click change your password and your password will be changed. Now, that's one option, and the other option is, of course, if you've forgotten your password, you can very easily try to log in on Instagram. Of course, you won't be able to if your password is not correct. However, you have the can't log in option, or the forgotten password option, which you can very easily use, and then click on that, enter your account or email which you use associated with that account. You'll get a password reset email where you just need to log into your email address, go to the email, click reset my password, and then you'll be taken to a password reset page. Of course, you can also use your phone number to get an SMS code or an SMS link. Then just click on the link you get via SMS, and you'll be immediately taken to Instagram if you have it installed on your phone, where you can then promptly change your password, select a new one, re-enter it, and then go ahead and change it. And that's literally it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.